With a few drops of castor oil, you could find the solution to stubborn health issues that just don't seem to go away. I know how frustrating that can be. This age-old remedy has incredible healing power and has been trusted by doctors for generations. Today, I'll share 3 common health problems you can tackle using castor oil. Struggling with dry, cracked heels? You're not alone. This common problem can be uncomfortable and frustrating. Luckily, castor oil offers a simple, natural solution. Its thick, rich texture deeply moisturizes your skin, leaving it softer and smoother. The best part? It's super easy to use. Just spray a few drops of castor oil onto your heels and gently massage it in. The oil absorbs into the skin, locking in moisture and helping to heal those cracks. For the best results, apply it before bed. Slip on a pair of clean cotton socks to keep the oil in place and let it work overnight. Wake up to softer, more hydrated feet. Stick with it, and your heels will transform into smooth, healthy skin in no time. Dealing with chapped lips that just won't heal, no matter how much lip balm you slather on? It's super annoying, right? Here's a tip. Castor oil might just be the fix you need. A light dab is all it takes to make a difference. As we get older, our lips become more delicate and dry out faster. Unlike the rest of our skin, lips don't have oil glands to keep them hydrated, so they're extra vulnerable to cold winds and harsh sunlight. Castor oil, packed with essential fatty acids and vitamin E, is an amazing natural moisturizer. All you need to do is spray a drop or 2 onto your fingertip and gently dab it on your lips, preferably before bed. Nighttime is when your skin soaks up nutrients best, so the oil can work its magic while you sleep. You'll wake up with soft, smooth lips. No more waking up to dry, cracked mornings. This might surprise you, but your belly button could play a role in your overall health. Traditional remedies suggest using oils like castor oil on the navel to help with immunity. Since the belly button is connected to many nerves, castor oil, known for its healing properties, might help stimulate them. Here's how you do it. Lie down, spray a little castor oil on your belly button, and gently massage it in circular motions for a minute or 2. The best time to try this is before bed, so your body can absorb the oil overnight. Castor oil is packed with fatty acids like ricinoleic acid, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits. While there's not much scientific research to back this up, many people in traditional medicine swear by it. Sometimes the simplest remedies are the most comforting. Why not give it a shot? Castor oil offers even more benefits than we've covered today. If you found this video insightful and want to learn more about how it can enhance your health, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.